Dappers, yeah. Oh, good. You picked up your... Stay. Alright, here, 2 have supporting metal, ventricle, cerebellum, all metal, brain parts. That's good. So she has that names already?
Yes, we are going to name him Zephyr.
Nice.
Something pretty different.
Yeah, but it's not so out there that it's like
No. Yeah, it's not like what
Twig
the...
or...
Yeah, I've seen some strange baby names online lately. I'm like, what?
Tree.
What were you thinking?
Mm-hmm.
I saw Beverly, like Beverly, but with a B, and I was like,
Beverly?
Beverly. I was like, oh, almost, I mean, you know.
Your mother hates you.
Yeah. It almost sounds like people are messing up your name when they call you that.
Oh,
I feel so bad.
yeah. Well, that's okay. We had a friend who named one of their twins. It was a boy and a girl, and they named the girl Vanessa, normal little name. But his name, everybody kept, every time he was, they said the name, everybody's like, what? Brack.
Oh, okay.
Not Brock. but
Not Brad, Brack. Interesting. Where did they come up with that?
Every time I just think of brackish water, which is like somewhere between salt water and...
Interesting.
I'm like, I think of, okay, like Brock, like the candy?
Right.
No.
That's an interesting name. I definitely haven't heard that one.
Yeah, so no.
Brack.
Mm-mm. My grandson is Drayson.
Drayson.
So
That's
we got-
interesting.
Uh-huh.
I mean, I guess people are
I
trying
actually
to
really like that.
I was like, people are trying to get more unique with the names these days and
Yeah.
kind of coming up with their own stuff.
Uh-huh.
I'm stretching in there.
I know. Can't get this line. Let's see. Beautiful. What is the due date we have, by the way? I think I may put in the wrong date.
The first one I was given was August 13th, and then I was given August 16th.
Well, whatever your doctor's using. So let me see what I put in here. I admit it.
I think
August 16th. Oh, I
here
did.
was the 16th.
Yeah, 13th. Could be 3 days bigger. That would be 21 weeks and 5 days. Or 21 weeks and 2 days. And then I measure baby at, oh, pretty close, 24. So it's
Okay,
right in the
in
middle.
between. It's kind of like we don't really know when he's going to be born.
I know.
One day
I
somewhere
know, like
in
he
there.
has a calendar, huh?
I know. I figure it's just pretty up in the air anyways when he's going to get here.
Well, I say we do video because
Oh, wow.
we're done with all the important stuff and all that stuff looks great.
Good.
Yeah. Back on. Stretch. That foot way over that head.
I know, my gosh, he's going to be a gymnast.
Mhm. Taking a drink like that. No. Face there, little eyes. Heart. And then the legs went back up again. Gosh, flexible. Touching your toes away above your head. That's like way beyond yoga that I can do.
Seriously, I couldn't even. I don't think my legs. I don't think my hands would reach my toes that far.
Oh my gosh. Crazy baby.
He is so active.
That was cute. You're just having a good time in there. Oh, and there's his, what's his?
Oh, jeez. Wow.
It's like right out there like a little water cannon.
Seriously. Oh my goodness.
Proud of the little fella.
Wow, he's gotten so big.
I was gonna try some 3D, see if we get anything, but if this stuff stays on top of your head, I'm gonna be having a hard time. Block my picture.
Big worm.
Yeah, see, the leg's gonna block my picture. Hold on, the arm. Have to get in there, kiddo. Okay, that's cute. Leg over there. I'm trying to ignore that. The arm over here. Trying to get rid of those. Okay. There. Let's see. I like that. There.
I wonder who he looks like.
Just like that.
Crazy how much like a human he already looks. So cute.
I know. That cute little nose.
I know. We have one ultrasound from this last time we were here, and he just had his legs stretched